Welcome back. In the last video, we saw how we can create an epic in JIRA. In this one, I'm going to show you how we can create a story. And we're also going to see what makes stories a little bit different, or let's say what we should also add as information when we create a story. Okay, so let's get started. We can press the Create button. We have the correct project selected, the issue type. Let's make story number 1. So what's important in a story? From a JIRA item hierarchy, you first have the epics. The epics are covered by stories. The stories have tasks, and of course the bugs can affect everything from epic, story, and task. So in order to keep the hierarchy in JIRA, it's recommended, and I would say mandatory, or should be mandatory, to always assign a story to an epic. So if we scroll down on the epic link, we have here our epics. So let's assign this story to the epic. What's important is one story can only be assigned to one epic. You cannot have multiple or the same story be assigned to multiple epics. Okay, so let's just add some text here. And we can press create another. You can see the story was created, and in the create another, this is also what I wanted to show you. We have the project, the issue type, and also the epic link is still pre-selected, or is pre-selected because we chose create another. Let's make this story 2. Make some more text. And we can even let's create another one, but let's change the epic now. Okay, so we see the story was created. Let's make story number 3, and we can change the epic to epic number 2. And let's add again the text. Stop with, or let's create another one and assign it to the epic number 3, so at least each epic has a story. Okay, story number 4. Okay, perfect. Now, when we click create, let's have a look at the story. We can already see we have story, and here it says epic link. We have the epic. If we click on this link, we can see the epics and all the issues that are assigned to the epic. So for example, if we were to open the epic number, I think it was 1, where we assigned multiple stories, we should see a larger list here. Let's see. So we can go to the project, and I think story number 1, yeah, it was story number 1, has the link to epic number 1. We click on this link, and as you can see, this one has 2 issues in it. In the next video, we're going to create tasks for a story, and we're going to cover assignment as well. See you in the next one.